So today's video contains all the information about clone stem tool, how does it work, what it is. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. First of all, let's select clone stem tool. You can simply press the shortcut which is S, or you can go to toolbar and select it from here. If you are a photographer and you took an incredibly amazing photo but little distraction messed up all the image, happen ever? Yes, no? You, my friend, don't have to be worried because Adobe Photoshop gave us clone stem tool to get rid of that distraction. So what it does, it copies the pixels or the information of the image from the point of sampling and paste it over the distraction or where you want the pixels to be pasted. Doesn't make sense. Let me explain. First of all, I'm gonna create a new document and gonna create two brand new layers. On the first one I'll be painting with green, and on the second one I would be painting probably with the reds. It's just an example. So let's select the clone stamp tool. Now see what's happening. When I hold Alt or Option key and take a sample from the reds, and when let's create a one more layer, paint over the greens. So what it is doing, it's copying the reds on the green. Same here. When you select the clone stamp tool, it seems like this. So what you have to do is press Alt or Option key, select a point of sampling or the pixels you want to be on the distraction. I know in this photo there's nothing which is distracting or messing up the image, but it's just a example. Anyways, you take the sample holding Alt or Option key and clicking over the area and then dragging the mouse, simply painting over the distraction. It is kind of weird because I've sampled it from here. If I do it from here, so you have to do it like this. I'm doing this just randomly. You can take your time to do it more clearly and properly. So clone stamp tool, there's one thing I want to say about this. If you go to window and check this clone source, you're gonna see this window. Let's take it there so you can see it properly. If I sample the hand of this girl or the subject, and then I click to this, it will gonna flip and copy all the hand of a girl. You can see it on the left side that the point it is copying, and on the right side the result of that. You can duplicate yourself in an image and nobody's gonna know how did you make that. And if you do the same thing again, like sampling the hand and then unchecking this and checking this offset, this will Also paste it but in a vertical form. You seeing it? Let me draw it here so you can, sorry, so you can see it. So this is the whole girl but flipped vertical. From this you can get rid of little distractions like pimples, like moles on the face. There's one thing I also want to add, which is patch tool. Patch tool is the more easiest way to do sampling in Adobe Photoshop. Let's suppose I want to change this part, which I'm now selecting, and did I select? Then I'll click in the selection and press the my left key and drag it over the point which I want to be sample. You can see clearly see it. Where am I taking the cursor or the mouse? Sampling those areas in the selection. So simply go to this, this, and this. The sun's completely gone. Isn't it incredible? So that was clone stamp tool. Feel free to ask any question in the comment section, and maybe it will take some time to answer your question, but I will. Thank you for watching. This was clone stamp 2. Allah Hafiz.